Hello, am I audible? Uh, I'm testing. Hello, hello. Okay, great. Uh, hello, hello guys. Today I'm going to. hmm, Today I'm going to solve a array question that is uh, to some problem in the LeetCode. So from today onwards, I'm going to solve each question that I provide you in my ST sheet. You can in the description you can see a link. You can click on it, and you have the ST sheet that is made by me. So from today onwards, I'm going to solve each day each question. So there are around 300 questions. So the video will continue until the 300 question will be solved. So I am going to solve this question in the Java. So I recommend you to first go through the question. If it is unable, if you are unable to solve that question, then only you watch the video. Otherwise, solve it by yourself. So I have the ST sheet with ST sheet for you. Click it the link in the description, and then if it is unable for you to solve, then click see the video. Okay, so after clicking in the description, you can see this st sheet here in the array. I'm going to solve the first question, that is to some problem. So when I click it, it will look like this. Okay, so first I have to log in. Mm, Wait for some time. I'm going to log in, and then I'm going to start the video. Okay. So it was previously done by me, so I'll reset it first. Okay. So first I will look over the question. So it is saying that given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Means there is a array of integer which is num, and we have to return the two indices of the number, which the number that is present in that indices, if we add up both, then we will get target. So we have to return the two indices. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. That means there should be a one solution only in the integer array. So if we add, there will be only two number that will add up to become target. Okay, you may not use the same element twice. Also it is that if we can't use single indices twice. That means if the target is 6 and we have number 3 in it, then we can't add the 3 twice, 3 number twice, so it becomes 6. Okay, you may return the answer in any order. Means if the indices, if the one number is in two indices and another number is three indices, so we can return the answer as 2 and 3 or 3 and 2. Okay, so here let's see the example here. Here it in the number there is 2, 7, 11, 15. The target is 9. Okay, so here basically we can we have like 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So the output is 0 comma 1. Means that the number at indices 0 is 2 and number at indices 1 is 7. So index 1 is 7. So when we add both the number, we get 9, so we return 0 1. Either we can return 0 1 or we can return 1 0. It's in our choice. Okay, and there is a number in the second example, there is 3 2 4. The target is 6, so here we can return either 1 2 or 2 1. Here in the also there is a number 3 3, so the target is 6, so 0 comma 1 is the answer. Okay, so let me open the notepad first. So mm, mm, give me 2 minutes. uh, I don't think like we require a notepad for this. It is a very simple question, so I will do it here only. Okay, so what can be the possible solution? So let's do the brute force one. So we can do like that here. If you want to add if you want to get the answer, like we have to find every possible solution, every possible pair, and we add it. If we find the sum is equal to target, then we will return the array of both. Otherwise, we will keep on searching. So here in the in this array, in this array, this array, if we look at it, this is the array, right? So what will be the possible solution? There will be 2 comma 7, 2 comma 11, 2 comma 15, 7 comma 11, and 7 comma 15, and 11 comma 15. So these are the possible pair that can be that we can add to get some possible solutions. So after adding those, if any number come equal to target, then we will just return the in the index of it. Otherwise we will keep on searching it. So the brute force will be like that. We will have the two nested loop. First the first nested loop will iterate over 0 to end of the array, and the second in the second for loop will iterate over the I plus 1 to last index of the array. Got it? Then we'll add up the two number, and if it comes equal to the target, then we'll just return the array of it. So let's see. Okay, let's okay. So here we'll use for int I is equal to 0, I less than num length I plus plus, and uh, we will have the another loop j is equal to I plus 1, j less than nums len j plus plus. Why did we do that? Because I plus 1, because we don't want to have uh, a pair for twice time, and we don't want to add this single number twice also. So that's why we choose the second indices should be I plus 1. Okay, so what we'll do, will sum the its sum is equal to nums I plus nums j. Okay, we'll get this sum. If this sum is equal to the target, equal to target, then what will we do? Uh, we'll return new int, and in this we are going to return the indices of it, so I and j. Else we are going to continue our searching. Okay, let's run it and see what is the answer should be. Okay, it is saying that we should have written statement. So the compiler is throwing error because if the compiler is assuming that if we don't get the answer from this, then what should be the answer? In the question, it is specified that we have exactly one solution, but we should have the edge case also, right? So here it is not given us the answer for the no solution, so we will just return a empty array. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is done. Let's submit it. It is solved. But what is the time complexity of it? The time complexity of it is n square, right? Because there is a two nested loop here. So we can optimize it more by using hash map. What will we do? We just store our indices, our number with specific indices. For example, here, um, suppose I will store 2 with indices 1, 7 with indices 2, 11 with indices, sorry, it is index from, it will start from indices 0, 1 and 2, and 15 will be there in indices 3, right? So our target, what is our target, right? Target is equal to 9, right? Hmm? So when we reach over 9, basically we have to find the target minus the current element. So that what is the target minus current element? 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So we'll find over the map that is 7 is there. It is there. So we will return a array with the current index and the index with the 7 number, that is 1, right? So basically what will we do is we'll store the um, in number with the corresponding index and try to find and iterate over the array and try to find the target minus current element in the map. If we find it, then we will return a array of the current index with the index corresponding to the uh, uh, the value that is that we got from the target minus the current element. But there is a issue with that. Suppose the target is 4 here. Target is 4 here. So after storing all these, if you iterate over the array, then what will be the 4 minus 2 will be 4 minus 2 will be 2. So our current index is 0, 2's current index is 0, and after getting 2 we find there is also 2 is there in the array, and uh, we get the 0 also, then we will store it with the 0 and 0. That should not be there, right? So if we find the same index, then we will not have that index. Okay, got it. So let's write it in code. Okay, so we are going to use, there are multiple maps, we don't want to sort it, we want a efficient map, so we are going to use a hash map, right? So hash map, and what we are going to store integer with the integer, right? So integer, integer, let's name it map, and new, so just make it map, otherwise okay, map is equal to hash map. Okay, as we done here, like first we will iterate over all the element and store the number with the corresponding index. So let's num is equal to nums, and no, I need index also, no? So I is equal to 0 is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So m dot put number nums I comma I. Okay, after this we put all the number with the corresponding index in the map. Okay, then we are going to iterate over the array and find the index with the number that we get from the target minus the current number. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0 to I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and int second num, or like okay, like second possible number num is equal to target minus current number, that is nums I. Okay, if m dot um, exist, I think. Okay, I forgot the what is there in map is exist in map. Sorry for that. Uh, I forgot these things usually. So contents key. Okay, it is contents key. Contents key. Okay, and if we have the second possible number in the map, then what we are going to do, we are just going to return the the array new int with the current index and current index and the but how to find the value, okay, sorry, how to, what are the what are the operation in map in Java? Put get. Okay, it is get. Sorry, I want to get now. So get the second possible num. Okay. So but before checking that, before have setting it that we can like write it that like int sec index is equal to m dot get sec possible num. It will find the second index of the second possible number, and if we find it like second possible, sorry, sec index equal to I, then we are just going to continue it, uh, because we can't have the same index twice, right? So that's why, uh, and we are just going to have here the sec index. Okay, if you don't find anything, then we are going to just return new int. Okay, let's just comment it, and the answer is done here. So run it. um Sorry, not m dot, it is okay. Let's name the map as m. Okay, so here we always, everywhere I have used m, so just, okay, it is solved, and let's submit it. It is solved. We can optimize it more by having like that, because as we don't want to have the current index twice, like current number twice. So what we can do is, after searching for the single index that is there, after like, so in single loop, what we can do, first we will search in the map, is the second possible number is there or not, then only we are going to add it into map. So what I'm saying is that, first the I don't have I don't have anything in the map. Okay, huh? First I will iterate over the map. So first index is 0 comma 2, like 0 is the index, and the some uh, number is 2, and suppose the target is 9. So, and initially I don't have anything in the map, so map is empty now. Okay, map is empty. Okay, from here I'm going to iterate. Iterate over nums. Okay, so first we get here, clear it. So 9. Hmm. I will iterate over nums. So first is 0 comma 9, 0 comma 2, sorry. The index is 0 and the number is 2. So the second possible number will be, second possible num will be 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. So we'll find that is the 7 is there in the map or not. Initially the map is empty, so there is nothing in there, so it is not there. So what we are going to do, we have to just put our current number in the map. So that is 2 implies 0. So in the 2 is present in the 0 index. Then we'll move over the 1 comma 7, the second number of the array. So here we will find the second possible number, the 2 minus 7, and we find here 2. So the 2 is there. So we'll just return the current index is 1 comma 0. Okay. Suppose if the target is 4, then nothing will be there in the map. So when we find 0 comma 2, so the possible num will be 4 minus 2 that will be 2. And as there is nothing in the map, so we will not add a single number twice. Got it? So we are just going to do it here in the code, that just after searching it, we are adding up our current number in the map. So we are going to first move this to top, as we are first finding the possible number. Hmm. After finding possible number, we are we are searching in the map that if is there any possible number in the map or not. And we don't need to check for the same number, is the same number is adding twice or not, because we are handling it here. And if we find the second possible number, then we are just, okay, let's not delete all here, delete this one. Okay. If we find the second number, and then we are going to return with the current index with the second index. And if we don't find anything else, then we are going to put our current number in the index, and we don't need the second for loop. That's it. Okay. The test case are solved, so we have just submit it. It is solved. So I hope you have understood the problem, that is to some problem. Uh, so I hope everything is clear to all. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down below. And okay, someone has messaged. So Jaker asked me, how is your office, bro? It is good. Thank you for asking, Jaker. Uh, is the video paused or something? All, if and all is well, Chess said me hello. So hello, all is well. And thank you for asking. And if you any doubt in this question, then you can comment down. I'll try my best to answer all those questions that you are having. And check out my lit geek nerd SD sheet. And I'm going to update every video link in this. I'm going to solve every question in Java for now, so I'm putting the link in it, and you can look over it. So this is all for today. Let's meet in the next video. So before going, I will ask you to like the video and comment if you have any query and feedback, and subscribe it. It will help me to make more video in it. So thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.